Welcome to the farm where everyone's friends. They're up with the sun until the day ends. They're all excited to meet you. Let's go and learn what they do. Shepherd the sheep stays warm wherever he goes. He's covered in wool from his head to his toes. He can shear some off and knit it together to make his friends a cozy sweater. Coral the cow makes milk that's sweet and creamy. Her big brown eyes are kind and dreamy. If she looks your way and lets out a moo, that's her way of saying how do you do. Pippin the pig has seeds to sow. He waters his flowers so they grow. If he gets muddy, that's okay. It's dirty work gardening all day. Henrietta the hen is a great mom. She sits on her eggs all day long. Even if it's cold or starts to storm, she doesn't move so they stay warm. Russell the rooster wakes up with the sun. He crows to say the day's begun. There's a lot of work to do on the farm, and Russell's job is to be the alarm. Gustav the goose stirs his pot. Soup or stew, it matters not. He's always cooking because it's his dream to be the best chef you've ever seen. Dolores the duck has a lot to teach while keeping her ducklings within reach. She'll teach them to swim and to sing. Dolores will teach them everything. Turner the turkey loves to eat. He eats all of his veggies and all of his meat. If you want to put Turner in a good mood, he just needs a plate of good food. Calix the cat is pretty smooth. You can't even hear him when he moves. He puts things he finds into his sack, then off he goes with it on his back. Douglas the dog keeps watch on the farm. When he sees something strange, he barks in alarm. He's everyone's friend at the end of the day. He likes to be pet and he likes to play. Gabby the goat loves to pick flowers. She looks for them for hours and hours. When she has enough, at the end of the day, she makes them into a pretty bouquet. Horace the horse never stops training. He runs in the sun and he runs when it's raining. Today, he's off to compete in a race. Everyone hopes he wins first place. Orwell the ox is big and strong. He can pull a cart all day long. When the farm has to chop down trees, they just ask Orwell and he does it with ease. Harold the hare has a date. He needs to hurry so he won't be late. Just a quick stop, then he's on his way. Gotta make sure his hair looks okay. Donald the donkey plays in the hay. He's a silly boy who laughs all day. All he wants is to play with his friends. He hopes the fun never ends. Now the sun is getting low. It's time to say bye and to go. We hope you had fun and made some friends. Be sure to come back to play again.